This video will be an introduction to Forex trading robots, the basics as well as the benefits of using Forex trading robots. Now, if you stay tuned, I'm going to share some bonus content with you and show you how you can grow your investment or the capital that you want to use for trading using Forex trading robots and exponentially grow that amount over the months and over the years. Hi there, my friend, Errol Muller here, and welcome to another video. I want you to stay tuned and pay very close attention because what I'm about to share with you in this specific video is going to help you on your Forex trading robot journey. I'm going to share some basics and benefits with you, and then I'm also going to show you how you can quickly grow that investment. Now, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Please pause this video, read that disclaimer, and let's continue along. Now, I am no financial expert. This is no financial advice. I am no investment specialist. I'm just sharing with you things that I've applied within my career. I've been doing Forex trading and numerous other things. I believe in having multiple sources of income. I've been doing it since the year 2015, and let me quickly take you over to my business, which is this page that you're on right now, Empire Digest. And if you feel that Forex trading is not for you and you would like to try a different avenue of making money, making serious money, I will leave a link in the description below this video. Head over to empiredigest.com and click the show me how to make money. Now, before we continue, I also want to share with you where you can get hold of other Forex trading robots. I've done reviews based on most of them. So let's quickly head over to the bottom. Then you click on the Forex tab. Once on the Forex tab, you can click on Forex trading robots, which is this one right here. Once you're on the Forex trading robots, here are numerous Forex trading robots for you to have a look at. And on the top right hand side of your screen right now, I will just include a few videos, and then you can see how I review Forex trading robots, what I look for and what I do like and what I don't like when it comes to Forex trading robots, and things that you have to pay attention to before you decide to invest and trade any Forex trading robot. Now, I'm actually going to stay on this page, and I just want to talk to you in person, like heart to heart. And I'm actually going to open up let me do this on this page. Okay, I'm going to open up, so head over to empiredigest.com, click on the Forex tab, or at the bottom, the Forex tab. So I'm going to use a Forex trading robot with phenomenal results. It's got a long track record. Just as an example, I'm not saying it's the best Forex robot out there. I just want to provide you with an example. And then I'm going to take you through some of the basics and the benefits, and then what to look for, what not to look for, and as well as share some bonus content with you. So let's quickly open up Forex Truck. I like Forex Truck and I recommend it to quite a few people. I want them to have a look at it as well. I see this profile has got a bit of a drawdown. Then they've got the Euro GBP, USD CAD, and Forex Truck USD CAD. So let me open up this first one right here. Let's quickly just on the review videos that I shared with you on the top right hand side, I want you to pay very close attention. Just a quick pattern interrupt there. I didn't ask you, so please give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, and if you feel that you're getting value out of this video and out of this YouTube channel, also give it a like and leave me a comment below this video. Subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Sorry for the interruption, but I just had to ask you, so let's continue along with it. Because when you watch those videos, you will see that it becomes over and over kind of the same thing, whereby you can apply, when you look at Forex trading robots, you can apply what you're learning in those videos based basically on any Forex trading robot out there, as long as they've got a MyFXBook account or an FX Blue account, anywhere where you can physically review the statistics. Now, in this case, Forex Truck has actually got a track record of they started in 2020. It's 4 years and almost, okay, call it 4 years, and end of January 2024 it will be 4 years and 1 month worth of track record. And in this case, I see there's a bit of drawdown happening right here. I don't know what happened here. And if I look at, it's been updated 3 minutes ago. So it looks to me like they've been experiencing some drawdown, which is still not a lot. It's a 12.5% drawdown, and it's still good. I've seen Forex trading robots out there that's got a drawdown at 65%, 45%. So obviously the lower the drawdown, the better. Okay, there's numerous other factors that comes into play. Now, when looking at Forex trading robots, I want you to head over to a My FX Book account or a FX Blue account, and you want to look for trading privileges shared. And then also very important is you want to make sure the track record is ticked. In this case, the track record is not ticked, and you can always contact the Forex Truck EA support and ask them why is the My FX Book track record not verified. Now, I think there was a bit of a change in the settings and that caused this down here. Let's quickly just have a look at the results. So I don't want to do a review on this. I just want to try and determine kind of what happened here. Okay, they've taken a minus 12% loss for this 1 month, which is quite a lot. So I don't know what happened there, but looking at the rest of it, it's looking very, very good. So it could either be that they changed the settings or something went wrong on their profile, on their set file, and they didn't pay attention to it. They haven't logged into the account for a very long time, and that caused the loss. Now, that is what I want to get to. So when it comes to Forex trading robots, a Forex trading robot does not like being traded on just a normal PC or a laptop or any of the sort, and it also does not like internet interruptions. Now, my preference and my suggestion is when you do look at trading with Forex trading robots, get yourself a Forex VPS service, okay, virtual private server, or call it a hosting service. So in this case, you can literally head over to my website, just click on the Forex tab again, and you can scroll down to where it says Forex VPS services. You click the learn more button, and then share a few Forex VPS services with you. You can check all of them. I know Scala Hosting is a very good one. My personal broker that I use is FX Open. And here's another thing. I get this a lot. A lot of people ask me, Errol, what Forex robots do you recommend? What do you trade? And I mention it within almost all of my videos. I no longer trade with Forex robots. Okay, there is one Forex, call it a Forex robot style investment that I am involved in, that I've invested some money in as a test, and that test has been going for I think more than 6 months now, and it's going extremely well. I will share that with you in just a second as well, so stay tuned. So FX Open is just my broker that I use for my Forex trading investments, etc. And I also use FX Open for PAM trading. Now, PAM trading is where I invest in other Forex traders trading my money on my behalf. So back to what I was saying is you can look at any one of these hosting services. So you want to make sure that you trade using a VPS service. So what you will do is you will take your Forex trading robot, you will install it, you will log into your VPS, your hosting service, and you will install your robot there, not on your laptop, on your hosting server. So it's a virtual private server. Okay, so you will install it on that server and let it run from there. Now, back to this little dip here. So what I wanted to explain to you right here, if the owners or this specific Forex Truck set file is not using a VPS, anything could have gone wrong here, whether it was on a laptop or PC, an internet connection interruption. It should have maybe closed a few trades where it didn't, and then that can end up happening. You can literally overnight end up losing a lot of money because trades didn't close, the robot didn't know what to do. So that's a bit of a side effect when it comes to a Forex trading robot. If the Forex trading robot does not know what to do and there's an internet interruption or a calculation interruption due to PC or laptop performance, it can really impact your results. So that's just a tip from me to you, is look at using a good VPS service. Okay, next, when it comes to Forex trading robots, there's numerous factors to look at when it comes to the My FX Book account, of which on the top right hand side you can look at any one of my review videos that I share with you. That is very important. Now, something to pay attention to as well. A lot of people think, I'm going to go back to Forex Truck as an example. They've got some very good set files here that they have been testing. I know because I've been following them for quite some time, and I have been recommending this robot to quite a few individuals out there. So instead of just trading one pair, so as you can see, let's head over to this thing right here, or to this set file again on my Facebook. I want to head up to summary, and in this case you can see it only trades the USD CAD. Now you will find numerous Forex robots. Let's go back to my website. I'm going to share with you something quickly. Forex trading robots, learn more. So for instance, let's go to, I want to find Wall Street, this one, Wall Street Forex Robot 3.0. So when you click on that one, it will, I think they've got 5 pairs or something that they trade with, which is Asia Street Gold, etc., etc. Now you don't have to trade with every single one of them. Let's quickly open up, for instance, this my Facebook account. Okay, continue. I want to share a tip with you now. A lot of people think when they purchase a robot, they have to trade with every single pair that the robot provides them. You don't have to. So what you can do is when you install the robot, you literally attach your robot on your MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 platform. You open up, for instance, Euro USD. You attach your robot to that pair only, and it will trade on that pair only. Make sure you select it in your set file to trade the Euro USD as an example. And if they recommend 5 pairs or 10 pairs, you don't have to trade all 5 or 10 pairs. You can literally head over to the My Facebook account, click the summary page, look at the total profits, click it from the highest to lowest. You can see Euro CHF has been performing the best, Euro GBP, GBP USD. Now, my recommendation is having at least 2 to 3 pairs to trade with. Reason being, you want to kind of spread your risk. You cannot ever eliminate risk, but you can spread your risk. So you then want to trade at least 3 pairs, because that means you've got 3 pairs trading off of one robot, because not all the pairs are the same. Yes, you've got correlated pairs and you've got non-correlated pairs. If you don't know what it is, I would highly suggest you just go and Google what is correlated and non-correlated pairs, meaning they move in the same direction, whether it be a bullish or bearish movement, but as soon as the one goes down, the other one goes up. That's like correlated pairs. Non-correlated means they are not moving in the same direction at all, not related to one another at all, in that sense. Okay, so that is also something, just a tip from me to you when it comes to trading with Forex trading robots. Next, what you want to do is you always want to test their support. So for instance, looking at Forex Truck, you can scroll down, send them an email as a test. Ask them, what is your leverage that I need or that I require in order to, or what size leveraged account do I need to open with my broker in order to use Forex Truck to the best extent possible. So 1 to 200, 1 to 500, whatever. Just test their support. Ask them a few questions. Does your Forex robot use a stop loss? Another very important thing is you want to make sure your Forex trading robot uses a stop loss, whether it be a trailing stop or a set stop loss, meaning it moves nowhere until the trade is closed. That is also very important, because otherwise, if it's just an open trade and it's basically the stop or the exiting strategy is based on the drawdown percentage, and the drawdown is, for instance, 45%, if that account hits a loss of 45% on the total account value, then only the trade will close, meaning you've lost in one trade 45% of your account in one trade. I don't like that. I would much rather prefer a stop loss, and then you can look at the risk versus reward for that stop loss. You also don't want the stop loss to be at a minus of 45% in the account. You will see it as soon as you attach and you start your first trade with the robot. You will immediately be able to determine how far from the take profit is the stop loss, and sometimes you can tweak it in the set files. Okay, so test the support. That's also something when it comes to Forex trading robots, is you want to test their support, email them, see how long it takes for them to get back to you. Are they very helpful? Because then you know if you experience any problems, you can literally go back to them, ask them questions, and they will assist you in sorting out the problem. Next, what you also want to do is, in this case, I do not see, okay, they offer a 30 days money back guarantee, which is a good thing. So within 30 days, if you feel that this robot is definitely not working out for you, you can request a refund. Some of them does have T's and C's related to refund, some of them not. No questions asked, you just get a refund. Okay, so that's also something very important. Now, I've shared the most important things with you, and I highly suggest you check out the reviews for more information on how to go about Forex trading robots and as an introduction to Forex trading robots. Now, bonus, like I said in the beginning of this video, just some bonus content. I want you to think of this. I've opened up an interest calculator, and I want you to think of compound interest. Now, my strategy when I used to trade with Forex trading robots, and what I still do, is I have multiple sources of coming in into my bank account. And if you don't believe me, my previous video, I will leave actually a notification on the top right hand side. I will include that video where I share how to turn your profit into passion. I share with you my actual income with having multiple sources of income. Now, besides that, I want you to think of compound interest. What if you could invest? If you don't know what compound interest is, search it on Google. But compound interest basically is you invest $1,000 or $10,000 and you want interest on that money. Now, majority of banks and mutual funds and investment companies offer you a per annum or annual investment interest. So it gets calculated annually, and it's usually, depending on where you're based, it is anywhere from 2% to 3% to 7.5%. The highest I've seen per annum is about 13% per annum. Now, 13% is not too bad per annum. Now, when it comes to Forex trading robots on average hover anywhere from 1.5% to about 5.5% returns per month. I aim anywhere from 1.5% to 5.5%, 3.5%, 2.5% when it comes to Forex trading robot returns per month. Now, if you were to have compound interest working for you monthly at about 2.5%, now I want you to start thinking and having multiple sources of income, meaning having multiple Forex trading robots with multiple pairs working for you. That is multiple sources of income. Not having just one Forex trading robot with 10 pairs trading. That is not multiple sources of income. It's having 10 different Forex trading robots to also lower the risk, spread your risk, having 10 robots working for you, 10 sources of income, if you understand what I mean. So I'm trying to get the idea across to you. So let's just do a quick compound interest calculation. So let's say you've got an initial investment of $10,000. You've invested $10,000 as an example, and you make no added contributions monthly or annually, and you only invest at the beginning of the period. So let's say the first, not at the end. At the end means you've invested at the 31st of January as an example. So you invest now at the 1st of January, so it runs the entire January, all the days, and then at the end of January you get your interest. Okay, so we work on an interest rate of 2.5%. I want to show you the power of compound interest. Next, you will select monthly. Now in this case, I see the monthly and annual, their monthly and annual calculations are not set up properly, in the sense of it doesn't know when to determine whether it's monthly or annually. So I select compound interest monthly, and then where it says years, I select 12 years. Okay, if that makes sense, 12 years. So forget about the months. Let's do months. Let's say 0. Okay, let's say years, 0, and let's say 12 months, investment term. Let's say calculate. I want to see what it's going to do. Oh, there we go. Works out perfectly. So if you look at this, you've invested $10,000. You had a 2.5% interest, which gives you $20.83. Now, in order to test that $20.83, you can click on the calculator. You can say $10,000 times 2.5%. Enter. That gives you $250. Now, in this case, this works on $20.83. That is not correct. I want to see something quickly. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to do a different calculation. Times 2. Or not times. So let's say 10,000 plus 2.5%. That gives you $250. See, and that's the reason I don't use. That's why I said there's I wouldn't say miscalculation. So what I do is I go back and I rather say years. I say 12 years. In this case, it's not 12 because we're working. Think of annual and then just convert it back to monthly. So forget about years. Let's just work on monthly. We say 12 months. Forget about this years and months here. Let's say calculate at 2.5%. That is more accurate. Okay, so forget about the years. So we see these as monthly because Forex trading robots works as monthly. Now here we go. Year 1, $10,000. interest was in actual fact 252.88, and then the ending balance is $10,252.88. Now, so what happens then? What is compound interest? So compound interest is now then again. So the Forex trading robot takes the entire amount of 10,252 plus another, call it on average 2.5% return. So it adds another. So in this case, the reason it's 259 is because 2.5% of 10,252 and 88 cents is $259. Then it adds it together. So that amount plus this amount. So let's go again. This amount plus this amount will give you this amount. Now, there you go again. You use this month, 10.5 plus another 2.5%, which gives you interest of this. So you add that one and this one together, which will then give you this. So in actual fact, if you had a return of 2.5% monthly return compounded, you'd have actually had at the end of 12 months, which is 1 year, 13,494 rand and 38 cents. Crazy. So you would have had a pure profit of $3,494.38 as a pure profit. Now I want you to start thinking, the higher the investment, the better, not the better returns, but the more interest you will get, a higher value or amount of interest. The percentage might be up and down depending on the robot, but now you can just think that's one robot. Now having 10 robots, I know you might only have a certain amount of capital, but then you start thinking of not just multiple sources of income, but spreading your risk. So you want to have a look at having 10 Forex trading robots working for you, or Forex investments, or any other type of investment, real estate, physical, having your own small business. It's all multiple sources of income and kind of spreading your risk and not investing all of your capital, putting all of your eggs in one basket. So once again, thank you for your time. I appreciate you. May you watching this video have a blessed, a wonderful, and a happy life going forward, financially successful life going forward. I really hope that you found some value out of this video. If so, give it a like, leave me a comment. I would appreciate that. Share it with some friends and family, and stay tuned because I will definitely see you in the next video. Enjoy.